Hey guys, so I'm just doing a video of putting the iPad Pro and pencil into the STM Dux Plus case for the 11-inch iPad Pro. So this STM case just opens with the magnetic catch just there. It can be a little bit tricky to get in. The way I've found easiest to get it in is to just sort of put this top left corner up that way first, stretch that over, push that up. This might come on because I've got it off at the moment if the power button touches at the top. And then pull this corner here down, get that corner of the iPad in, and just work your way along that bottom edge to this corner. Now this is the hardest corner to get in. So you gotta give it a good pull out there like that, and then that'll just slot in. And the Apple Pencil is designed to fit in there next to the iPad so that it can magnetically attach and stay charged at all times. And then the case just goes straight over the top, and you've got your pencil and your iPad all in a nice military grade protective case. So yeah, that's it. You've got all access to all the buttons, access to the ports. The speakers are all open, top and bottom. The microphones at the top are all got little holes. So it's a very well designed Australian designed case. And when you put it in the viewing angle, so you just slot those in there, magnetically attach that, and you've got your, for watching videos and stuff like that. And you can also put it that way and it'll stay like that to send emails and whatever else you need to do with typing. And you can conveniently just get your pencil out and work with that at any point in time. So yeah, that's the STM, that's the Dux Plus case from STM. Thanks for watching, guys.